Hi guys!
Hi guys! Hey Nathan, I hope you're watching.
Hi Nathan! Hi Ben!
And we're gonna do the chilli thing again. The other ones wasn't that hot, and we got some new ones what are called bird's eye chilli.
If you think you can beat us, please message us and say how much you've done. Here we go. Oh. This is what they look like. Just taking a stem back out. I don't think we can eat any more than that. This is really hot stuff. No.
What? More! That
Too
bit,
hot.
did it more?
Burning my eyes. We have to do another one.
I can't do any more.
Oh, I don't want any more.
Eat now.
No more.
No.
Bye guys.
Bye,
Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.
Bye.
Burning up here.